All right, so I'm using Timeless Ti-95 open comb. This is one of my absolute favorites, and it's made right here in Ohio. These are EDM precision cut. You can't get any more precise than Timeless razors. That's what I love about all their products. I'm always using their shaving brush. This is the adjustable shaving brush. I've got a 24 millimeter 3-band synthetic knot, unheard of, and I'm going to be using Happy Chap today. I've had this product for quite some time now, and I finally got around to using their product. So just like always, how I test every soap and how I shave every day is I'm just going to paint it on my face first. All right, now once I got it painted on my face, like so, I'm going to go down and just dip the tips in like 1/8 of an inch, not much. Put that in some water and then break the backbone and start lathering up. Now this scent from Happy Chaps is a leather and oak finish. So it smells pretty good. Some aftershave was sent with it as well. These guys are from California. So if you want to do your part, help them out. I'll put a link down below to their website where you can pick some of this up if you want to give them a shot. But for me, face lathering is key. You're going to notice I'm going to spend more time down here on my neck than anything else because that is my sensitive area. Now this stuff is pretty thick actually. First time using it. Yeah, it's pretty damn thick. Okay. Wow, I mean, it doesn't even feel like I have enough soap, or I'm sorry, enough water on it. Wow, really good. Next time I won't put so much water on it. I'm just adding a ton of water to it right now just to get it where I want it. I like it to be like yogurt laying on my face. All right, that's pretty good right there. Set all that stuff aside here. Now the Timeless Ti-95, they make titanium razors, they make stainless razors, bronze, and they also make aluminum razors. And their aluminum slant, best slant I've ever used. But let me go in with this one right here. Find my spot where I want to cut in my sideburn here. Bald guy sideburn. Oh yeah. That's so awesome. Now, with any safety razor, especially open comb, you just want to rest this on your skin and you're just applying just enough pressure so that you can guide this razor. No more, no less. Perfect pass. This thing's perfect. I got like 4 days of growth. And it's just going to hack right through it, which is awesome. Oh, yeah. I'm so confident with this razor. If you own this one or any of their titanium razors, comment down below because people don't realize what they're missing here. I'm going to go with the grain here on my neck. See, it just removes that hair so easy. That's why I love this razor. All right, same thing over here. That might be the smoothest razor ever. It has a neutral blade feel. So you feel zero blade feel. Love that about this razor. And it's open comb. I mean, most people would stop right here. I'm going to keep going with a second pass. And that's pretty much traditional wet shaving. A lot of guys do 3 passes. I can get almost BBS. Like, I don't chase BBS. I know a lot of people that watch this channel do. I'm going to go back in here and just... Yeah, I can already tell that's a really good soap. You can tell, or how I tell, if I got a premium soap, good quality soap. I don't care what it costs. Your second pass, once you rinse it off your face and you go to reapply it, you're going to be able to tell how good that soap is on how slick it already is. And you don't have to build up a big bulky lather on your second pass. Now, I did have an ingrown hair right here. I do a variation of a 2-pass shave. I'm going to go across the grain on my cheeks. From my chin to my Adam's apple here, I'm going to go, it grows from my chin to my ear. So I'm going to go against the grain. So I'm going to come in this way. And then above or below my Adam's apple, my hair grows up. So I'm going to go down on that. And that's, once you have your face mapped out, which you're going to want to definitely do, you can make variations to your shave. And that's when you're going to get perfect shaves almost every time. I watch a lot of other YouTubers here that shave. They nick themselves constantly. And, you know, they're rating a razor and they said they got a great shave. Now, granted, they don't zoom in like I do. So, but I mean, I can see it. And to me, that's bullshit. Don't lie. All right. You can see how effortless that is. I'm going to spin the razor. And look at that. I did open that up. I tried to get it out yesterday. I was actually going to shave yesterday. Did I get it yet? I don't know if I got it or not. But let me rinse this off and I'll show you how you can close up gaps like that on your face. All right, so now I shave with warm water, so now I'm going to flip it to cold. I don't go scalding hot and I don't go cold either. I can't shave with cold water. Going in with an alum block now. Just going to wet it. Go over my face here. Now where that was bleeding, where it lanced it, watch how easy that closes up. Actually, a little bit of tingle down here. Obviously right here where it got cut. Nothing up top. That's why I like an alum block. Not only am I getting the benefits of using it, it's going to help close the pores on my face. If I got a little nick or a weeper like here, it's going to stop the bleeding. So it serves quite a bit of purpose. And I give it credit for cleaning up my skin. And the next product is something that you have to have. So you're going to want to rinse that off your face. If you don't, it's going to leave like a chalky residue on it. And I dry it. I dry my face now for the next product, which is Thayer's. This to me is a no-brainer. I put it on almost every day. It's super cheap on Amazon. Oh man, just super wet, super refreshing. Now, the aftershave that they sent has witch hazel in it, but I just want to make sure I get my dose. My skin is so used to this facial toner that, I mean, it's done wonders for my skin. It's highly recommended by dermatologists all around the world. I mean, it's that good. So I'm shaking this up, and same scent to match the soap, which the soap did pretty damn good. You don't have to use a lot of it. Ooh, there's some alcohol in there. All right. What do I think of the products? Well, this new Happy Chap, it lathered up nicely. I recommend it. I think I put a little too much on when I painted it on my face. Probably do like 5 swirls and have enough to do a shave. It's that good. Aftershave, it has alcohol in it, so if you like that little sting, that bite, you're going to get it here. Now the titanium razor. This razor right here, if you don't own a Timeless product yet, you need to jump on that. And these razors are, I'm telling you, they're the best out there. No one does it like Timeless. You know, there's a lot of other razor manufacturers out there that I like, but nobody quite does it like they do. What I do is I take a toothbrush and just run it under some warm water and clean it up every time I shave. You know, some of these metals that we're using, and this isn't one of them, is cheap metal. So make sure that you clean your shit up to make it last forever. Because a lot of these are made out of pot metal, like the ones from Germany, and even, you know, stuff made around the world. It's made out of pot cheap metal. So if you rinse it and clean it, which that didn't take anything, didn't take any time. Oop, almost dropped the plate. And now I'm just going to hand dry it off, and it's ready to go for the next time. Look how Timeless does this. They've got a serration through here that goes all the way across, right? Relief cuts in the back. And look at how they EDM cut that. Nobody does that. I mean, it's just wild. And then I just have a basic top cap for it here, but it's made out of titanium as well. And on the top cap, as I show on other razors, has the bar system here, so you get 4 points of contact. When this thing locks in, you get no blade field whatsoever. And that's what I like. So just screwing this back on. This handle, I guess, is one of their #1 sellers. I can say with this handle, do I have another handle here? No. I can't say with this handle, the way it's designed, your fingers fit in here like perfect. So if you have a hard time grabbing a hold of things, you know, if you have larger hands like I do, you're going to love this handle design. I would suggest this one if you have grip issues. But this razor is just phenomenal, brother. People always ask, what's my favorite razor? Well, this is one of them. This setup, exactly. I love it. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, why don't you click on this one right here.